just been digging the compost heap for Robin. And there he is, checking it out. There were quite a few worms, but it took him ages to come. Even though I made quite a lot of noise, it took him a while to realise I was there. So I expect the worms have taken a dive underground again. He was too slow. He's listening, isn't he? The blackbirds listen. Oh, I think that's a centipede. He's clearly decided not to wrestle with a centipede. I think he's finding a bit of something anyway. That was the idea, just, oh, there's something. Yeah, if he finds a few things there. It's good for him to have some live stuff. As I said, I need to get him some mealworms because I don't tend to buy mealworms, they're so expensive. But he's finding things there. I did disturb the soil. I mean, I had a good dig about because I thought I would have a look for some pottery anyway, because I'd collect the pottery. So the broken china for making mosaics. So, you know, I found a little bit, but mainly I did it for him. Can you hear the crows, or are they rooks? I don't know the difference. Isn't that terrible? Oh, you can see them. No, I don't think you can see them. It's not in focus. No, it's not focusing. They've gone past. They were all flying over there. Sorry. Concentrate, woman. There's our Robin again. Come on, focus. He's having a good old hunt there. That was the idea anyway. I wanted him to find some stuff to eat. Because they're so brave, aren't they? They come so close to you, and that's what they want. They want some food. Some worms and slugs and whatever they can find. He seems to be doing okay there. You found a bit there, Robin. This is the heap where I put leaves and soil. So any food, I mean, I'm vegetarian, so I only have vegetable peelings and things. I put them in a compost bin just so that we don't get rats. But leaves and soil go on here for this very reason, so that the birds can have a scratch about and see what they can find. Because obviously blackbird does the same thing. He'll be up here later, I expect, scratching about. The only worry with this patch is that this is where the sparrowhawk comes and sits on the fence. So I'm not keen really on them hanging around here. I don't want to lose my Robin. Don't lose you, do we, Robin? So keep your eye open. Plus I have got this chap here. The purpose of him is to scare the sparrowhawk off. I don't know if it works, but he's sitting there all the time. Maybe it works. I hope so. I put him there when we lost the last bird over in this direction. I decided he'd have to stay here. All right, Robin, I'm going to leave you to it. Just keep a lookout for that hawk. Don't spend too long on that compost heap. Ooh, that was a long something. I don't know if he ate it though. Sometimes they pull things out and they decide not to eat it, like that centipede. He obviously decided that was too long. See you later, Robin.